Welcome to the Time for a Meal. These recipes will help you take a humble sandwich to a fantastic level. Nice, fresh and different. Try these cute and delicious treats for your next gathering. Cut the baguette into slices. Sprinkle with olive oil. Fry in a pan or bake in the oven. Chop the chives. Mix with yogurt and mascarpone. Season with salt and garlic. Spread on baguette. Fold the Black Forest ham, place in on baguette. Cut the tomatoes and smoked cheese in half. Place 2 halves of smoked cheese next to each other, half a tomato and a parsley leaf. If you like my recipe, remember to leave a like and subscribe. Place the ham rolled into a cone on the toast. Cut the cucumber into slices with wavy knife. Cut the boiled egg into quarters. Cut out stars on the radish. Put the dill on the side. Chop the yellow tomatoes. Place braciole on baguette. Place 2 spinach leaves. Cut the camembert cheese into small triangles. Cut the yellow pepper into thin strips. Place the pickled onion on the baguette. Place the salami and egg on the baguette. Cut out circles of cheese, fold in half and roll into cones. Cut the pepper into thin sticks. Put 2 or 3 pepper sticks into one cheese cone. Garnish with parsley. Bon appetit! Did you like it? Subscribe to be up to date. See you next time!